I put the thing, whatever this thing is, all the way up against it so that if it tries to fly in, it'll hit it. Oh my God, can you hear it? I'm not crazy. I might be a little crazy. It's gonna come in here. Oh my God, okay. Maybe I should call animal control. I called the fire department once to have them check a gas leak, and they killed a bug while they were here, but I don't think they're gonna do this. Oh my God. It gets like real loud. It starts to like flutter its wings. I can't, my anxiety is like at a 20. I don't like birds, I don't like moths, I don't like butterflies, I don't like crickets or grasshoppers because they all jump and fly and they don't have an agenda, they don't know where they're going, and they just like right at your face. It's not okay. You're my personal space. They can't go away. It hit the grate. It's trying to get out. I think I'm gonna try to open and shut the flue. Okay. Shh. Shh. I have to move the thing. Okay, hold on. How do I flip this around? I'm gonna probably die. I can't. Okay, hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, shh. Oh, biscuits. Ah! Ah!